Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Luxor bonded leather manager chair. Features: exceptionally comfortable leather-faced manager chair with a distinctive backrest design with deep padded posture curvature. The split back cushion flexes as you move for a really comfortable sit. The extra comfort this chair offers is added to by the quality air mesh stretch fabric that is used between the back cushions. The stylish integral hooped arms are fitted with upholstered arm pads for additional comfort. The waterfall seat front eases pressure on the thighs and aids circulation. The chair comes with a sturdy 5-star base, supplied with hard-wearing twin-wheel casters. The polypropylene arms and base are finished in gunmetal grey. The right-hand lever adjusts the gas seat height, which can be set for the user's optimum height. By pulling out the right-hand lever, the user can adjust the lockable tilt, offering a flowing tilt function backwards and forwards, promoting dynamic movement. Pushing the lever in will lock the seat in the upright position. The weight tension control is adjustable to the user's body weight for a controlled recline. The back and seat pad are faced in high-quality bonded leather and are available in a choice of black, burgundy or grey. TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift up to 110 kg weight capacity, 17.3 stone. Fire retardant fabric and foams used throughout, compliant with BS 5852. 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours per day use. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.